The service transmission now, unable to shift soon message in your Chevrolet indicates a serious transmission issue detected by the vehicle's computer system. This warning is particularly common in recent Chevrolet models from 2018 to 2025, including the Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, and Corvette vehicles. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, is the brain of your transmission system. When it detects problems, it triggers these warning messages to protect your transmission from further damage. Several primary issues can trigger this warning. Low transmission fluid levels or pressure problems are the most common causes, followed by overheating and component failures. The warning system follows a progressive pattern. It starts with service transmission soon for early detection, escalates to service transmission now for urgent attention, and finally shows unable to shift soon when limp mode activation is imminent. Modern Chevrolet vehicles use enhanced diagnostic protocols that provide specific fault codes. Common codes include P0700 for general transmission control system malfunctions, P0868 for low transmission fluid pressure, and P0962 for pressure control solenoid issues. Understanding these warning messages is crucial for protecting your transmission. When you see service transmission now, it's important to take immediate action to prevent costly damage and ensure your vehicle's reliability. When you see the service transmission now message, immediate action is critical. Here are the essential steps you must take right away. The first diagnostic step is using an OBD2 scanner to check for specific fault codes. This device connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and reveals exactly what the transmission control module has detected. Checking transmission fluid is crucial for diagnosis. The fluid level, color, and smell can reveal important information about your transmission's condition. Dark, burnt-smelling fluid often indicates internal damage. Professional repairs range from simple software updates to complete transmission rebuilds. Modern transmissions often require specialized equipment and procedures that only qualified technicians can perform safely. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance with proper GM-approved fluids, avoiding aggressive driving habits, and following proper warm-up procedures can significantly extend your transmission's life and prevent costly repairs.